welcome back to my channel. So this is just like a little intro for the vlog because I kind of started the vlog like abruptly. Like I went out and I didn't think I was gonna do so much, so I'm like, damn, I should have recorded a day in my life. So I have some footage, but it's like more towards the end of the day. And I do have footage but like from Instagram, so they're like boomerangs and stuff, pictures. So I'll probably just like insert some of those, and then as you guys saw, like, well, as you guys will see, I kept vlogging for the next 2 days, so for Monday and Tuesday, just to have more footage. And I was actually doing stuff, so I'm like, might as well continue vlogging, so it's not just a short boring vlog. So yeah, like, comment, subscribe, and enjoy the video.
I don't know if I want to. Okay, wait, back up.
Deja que pase este carro, deja que
I don't know if I want to do this anymore. Why? Okay, wait. Are you sure her foot's not supposed to be on this?
Ahí es que tú tienes que ir los pies. ¿Qué cosa? Ahí es que tú tienes que ir los pies.
Supposed to go. Huh?
Los pies que llevan adelante.
Well, you have. I'm gonna get on it, but I have to still hold it because if not, no, I'm gonna get it. No, but my feet is on something.
Yeah, you're right.
Okay, and my feet will be. That's what I'm saying. Is your feet supposed to be on it or no? Hold on, because I can something.
Y la otra señal, ¿sabes dónde está?
Sí.
Ya la quitaste. Dale ahora.
I'm scared.
Mira.
Come here, please. I don't want to get bruised or scratched up or nothing. Okay, wait. What? If you gotta move back, you can move back. Okay.
Cuidado.
Crystal! No te fine.
Cristal, no puedes estar con el teléfono porque eres el copiloto. No te
Wait,
pongas
turn the come.
Mira.
I don't know what I did.
Tú no montas un motor.
No.
Cristal, no pulsa el teléfono. Cristal, no pulsa tú el teléfono.
No. You're gonna make me fall.
Catherine, take a more.
Catherine, tiene que primero
My shoes
relajarte.
are gonna fall. You wanna switch shoes? Where are we going?
This way. No, tienes que irte por aquí. ¿Dónde
Oh
vas?
my God. Did you do this? Yeah, but I have sneakers on. We can switch shoes.
Cuidado, suave.
Le espero aquí.
Bueno. Mira, Catherine, tienes que calmarte.
¿Qué fue?
Relájate.
I'm nervous.
Relax.
I don't want to fall because I don't want to get scratched up. You say you've done this before.
We wait for you right here.
Okay, go.
Just hurry up and go.
¿Y qué están esperando?
Que cambie la luz. Dale, que cambie la luz.
Suave, suave, no acelere mucho.
Currently on a Revel with my cousin. Try not to bust our asses over here. Listen! Oh my God.
So I'm kind of starting this day in my life kind of late, but I didn't think I was gonna do so much today, so I started vlogging it, but I do have some like content that I took on like Instagram, like boomerangs and stuff, so I might include the clip. But the night is still young, mind you. It is 10:30 a.m. I mean p.m. Well, I'm a little late right now, don't mind me. But I'm going to a rooftop right now. I just got home. I'll keep you guys updated. Only those that know. So I'm going to a rooftop right now, so I'll vlog a little bit of that. Yeah, sorry I haven't been posting as much. I feel like this video is gonna go up soon than one of my other videos that I'm posting. Stay tuned for that. It's like a surprise. But yeah, so let the night continue. Or I think I might do a weekend at my vlog actually, because I'm going to the beach tomorrow. Tomorrow's Monday, so technically it won't be the weekend, but I'll just vlog today and tomorrow because I'm going to the beach. So yeah, I think I'm gonna do that instead. So yeah.
I think 3 is the best. 4 is a lot. For me, 4 is a lot.
So it is the next day. Like I said, I'll continue vlogging. So we're on our way to the beach. I am like hungover. Like my cousin and I had like 6-7 margaritas yesterday probably. And then last night at the rooftop I had some champagne. So my stomach, and I just feel disgusting. Like I need to stop drinking for like a month. I be ODing. But I mean, what else is there to do? But yeah, so we're gonna go to the beach. So I'll just continue vlogging at the beach and stuff, and then just combine yesterday and today's vlog. So
Kennedy.
Yeah,
En esos tiempos fue que yo vine.
Krista, you're doing your story. Look at the bridge at the top. You're taking pictures. Oh.
Yeah, we didn't come through this bridge.
this is for my vlog.
Yo dije que, y yo sé que
Que aquí se paga al final, ¿verdad? Allá cuando tú entras a la playa.
cuando tú vas.
Getting drinks in the bar.
I don't play so much games.
Mood.
So you should enjoy yourself. I swear to you, it's still the early vibes. Still the early vibes, alright?
Good morning. So it's the next day. So I'm just closing out this vlog because I didn't get to close it out yesterday. Sorry, this vlog was kind of like all over the place. I tried to vlog as much as I could, but I kind of just wanted to get something up, being that I was doing so much. Not so much, but I just wanted to get some content because I haven't posted in like, I think 2 or 3 weeks, and I kind of don't like not posting. But my next video coming up will be kind of like a life update and vlog at the same time, and it'll explain everything. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for my next video.